Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Link Ray. To capture his iconic sound, begin by aiming for a raw, distorted guitar tone, often achieved by pushing a tube amplifier hard. Employ two-note power chords with a heavy, aggressive attack. Don't shy away from using your tremolo arm for dramatic dives and expressive vibrato. A strong, rhythmic downstroke is crucial for that percussive feel. This foundational approach will set you on the right path to sounding like the legendary Link Ray. For gear, a solid body electric guitar, like a Gibson Les Paul or Danelectro, is ideal. Pair it with a tube amplifier, pushing its volume to achieve natural, gritty overdrive. Link Ray famously experimented with piercing his speaker cones to get a unique, fuzzed-out sound, a technique you can emulate with a fuzz pedal. Practice the chicken scratch rhythm technique, muting strings with your fretting hand while strumming aggressively for percussive accents. To master his iconic riffs, start with rumble. The main riff uses simple two-note power chords, often A and G, played with an aggressive, percussive strumming style. Focus on the rhythm and feel, letting the notes ring out with a raw edge. Link Ray's lead playing was often minimalist, prioritizing impact over complexity. Embrace simple, memorable melodic lines and allow space for the guitar's natural sustain and feedback to contribute to the sound. Finally, playing Link Ray is as much about attitude as it is about technique. Play with confidence, a rebellious spirit, and a strong, driving rhythm. Don't be afraid to let your guitar feedback, using it as a controlled element of the sound rather than avoiding it. Prioritize raw energy and feel over technical perfection. His music was about visceral impact, so let your performance reflect that untamed, powerful rock and roll spirit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.